Imagine installing an app to help you get a better night's sleep, only for the opposite to happen. That is precisely what happened to one woman when she installed a sleep tracking app. Before we continue, please take some time to subscribe to Dailydose, like and share this video with your friends. It might brighten their day and inspire them to do good. Also keep watching because an important lesson awaits at the end of the video. Rosa, a TikTok user, heard strange whispers amid her snoring, which led to a shocking discovery. It was something she never saw coming. Secret camera captures something shocking. Rosa posted a video that quickly went viral online, garnering millions of views on TikTok. The footage showed the young woman looking stunned and disbelieving, while a text overlay provided information about what happened. The young woman explained that she had downloaded a sleep tracking app and was shocked to hear more than snoring. TikTokers have expressed concern that Rosa is not taking her safety seriously enough and should report the encounter to the police with evidence. The unsettling truth: who was behind the whispers? Rosa vaguely pieced together the strange noises with violent undertones. They appeared to be whispering hateful things and threatening her. She shared, "When I downloaded an app to hear myself snore at night, but I end up hearing a voice saying hateful things, so I think it's a ghost and put a camera in my room." Rosa believed it to be a ghost or supernatural presence, so she set up a motion-activated camera in her room to capture any unusual activity. However, what she saw on the camera was even more terrifying: the unexpected culprit. Upon reviewing the footage, she saw her boyfriend's mom sneaking into her room and whispering these hateful words over her. While the clip had no audio, it provided enough context and reason for concern. According to Rosa, the woman and her children lived with her because she had recently been released from prison and had nowhere else to go. Rosa initially did not suspect her boyfriend's mother, as she had always been sweet to her. However, she became increasingly worried after hearing the whispering for 3 consecutive nights. Concern from the TikTok community. Rosa claimed the woman whispered things like, "You're so ugly," and "I hate you," and made jealous comments about Rosa's relationship with her daughter. To the surprise of many netizens, Rosa revealed her decision to keep the discovery to herself. She feared speaking about it would cause issues at home. The TikTok user added, "I don't want to confront her or anybody because if I do, she is a petty person and wouldn't let me see the kids anymore." However, TikTokers have expressed concern that Rosa is not taking her safety seriously enough and should report the encounter to the police with evidence. Woman finds humor in bizarre situation. Despite the concerning nature of the ordeal, the TikToker was seemingly jovial online, even sharing a comedic clip about her boyfriend's mom and the strange behavior she exhibited on the hidden camera. Rosa's apparent indifference about the experience worried TikTokers. Many of them hoped the young woman would take serious action to ensure her safety. However, Rosa noted she shared the funny clip because it helped her cope. She also revealed that she took someone's safety advice. They said she shouldn't eat food prepared by her boyfriend's mom, and Rosa agreed. "Somebody said I shouldn't eat her food. I don't because I'm scared." The online community had much to say about the woman's terrifying ordeal, and many encouraged her to take legal action. Users were shocked by the threats and hate speech from Rosa's boyfriend's mom,